Learning how to code for beginners. Welcome to your coding journey. By the end of this training, you will understand the basics of coding. Learn to write a simple program in Python. Recognize the importance of practice in coding. Identify useful online resources for further learning. Here are the essential steps to get started with coding. Choosing a programming language, Python. Step 1. Pick your first language. I recommend Python for beginners. Action. Start with Python. It's easy to learn and very powerful. Writing your first line of code. Step 2. Write your first line of code. Like this, print, hello, world. Action. It's that easy. Just type it in and run it. The significance of consistent practice. Step 3. Practice. The more you write, the better you get. Action. Consistent practice is key to improvement. Now let's explore some real-world applications of Python. Using Python for data analysis in business. Example 1. Using Python for data analysis in business. Your action should be: analyze trends and make data-driven decisions. Creating simple web applications with Python. Example 2. Creating simple web applications with Python. Your action should be: build interactive websites using frameworks like Flask. Now let's recap on what you learned and what you need to remember. Python is beginner-friendly and powerful. Hello, world, is a great starting point. Regular practice is essential for improvement. Now, get coding and keep building your skills. Subscribe for more coding tips in under 60 seconds. Thank you for joining this coding quick guide.